Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we have to talk about this new $10,000 primary trade line. That's right, Intrigue Fine Jewelers. They're in the house, they're on tap, they're helping you build, reestablish, and help your credit, ladies and gentlemen, with a soft inquiry, no hard inquiry. We got to talk about it. And welcome to Foci Optics. Check. Stop struggling now. Gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And before we get into it, please share the videos. That's so we can help hundreds, thousands, millions of other people. You never know who a video can help and information can help. And please notice the join button over here on the right hand side. That's how you become a member of the channel. And as a member of the channel, you receive special messages under the community tab. You receive 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for you. You also can join me on any of our live streams, and on Wednesday Night Live, only members with the icon next to their name can be in the chat room. Now, without further ado, I talked about the $10,000 primary trade line in a previous video. Now we're about to get into some other details and a little more refined. Everybody, introducing Intrigue Fine Jewelers, where you can apply for your $10,000 primary trade line. There is one very important note, or 2 important notes. If you were previously with AG Jewelers, your account has been serviced and purchased by Intrigue Fine Jewelers. Notice the note here. All AG Jewelers account have been purchased and are serviced by Intrigue Fine Jewelry. That means you do not have to pay the $149.99 membership fee. All right? If you are with AG Jewelers, look for an email from them or contact them at info@intriguefinejewelry.com to make sure you are in the system. And in fact, you can actually log in where this person is if you still have your login credentials from AG Jewelers. And I will point out once again, if you are an affiliate of AG Jewelers, you are also still an affiliate with Intrigue Fine Jewelers. And if you'd like to become an affiliate, then you need to sign up. The links are down below in the description if you want to sign up for this up to a $10,000 primary trade line. Now, notice this is going to be a little different. Notice they have a countdown here. That says 2,979 credit applications available this month. They only can accept 3,000 credit applications per month. Just to let you know. I don't know when the month starts, so I can't say. So if it starts the first of the month, we'll find out when it hits June 1st. But they just started about a week ago. That's when we announced it. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, that's the first thing you need to understand. Now, the second thing, apply for a $10,000 line of credit. How this works, we're going to get into it. But remember, this is real jewelry from a real jewelry store. They have a store in Ontario, California. They have a store in Riverside, California. So therefore, it's the real deal. Now, the other part to this is, again, if you are not or have not signed up with AG Jewelers, then you will fall into the category of a new customer. In order to get up to a $10,000 line of credit, why don't we just go to how it works? That will be the simplest way instead of me telling you exactly how it works. That's how you have to become a member, how it works. All AG Jewelers account have been purchased and being serviced by Intrigue Fine Jewelry. We've already talked about that. But now let's get on to new customers. Steps to apply for the $10,000 line of credit. Submit the Intrigue Fine Jewelry credit application. You would click on this here. That's number one for everybody on podcast. Number two, shop from our selection of thousands of fine jewelry pieces, watches, and more. That's simple enough. Check out and pay only 20% of the item price plus a one-time $149.99 membership fee. So there you have it. You are instantly approved because they use a soft inquiry, but you're going to have to put down 20%. So in other words, you can have up to a $10,000 purchase price credit limit, but you would have to put down 20%. 10,000 equals $2,000 down. 1,000 is $200 down. That's what you have to understand. And then you're paying a $149.99 membership fee. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Now, some of you will be saying, does it report to all three credit bureaus? Yes, it does, ladies and gentlemen. Reports to all three credit bureaus as an installment trade line. An installment trade line is when it's a fixed monthly amount. Revolving trade line generally means your amount would be different. So this is an installment trade line to help you establish, rebuild, start, increase your credit simply by adding it. That can help you out. That's a good start for almost everybody. And then, of course, number 5, because I should say number 4 says get instantly approved for a credit line of up to $10,000. Number 5, go to my account, click on begin e-signature to complete the membership application. 6, go to purchase orders and sign your purchase receipt. That's as simple as you can get with starting your credit with only a soft inquiry, or building your credit with a soft inquiry. Now, you want to know the other part to the equation? If you've listened this long, how about this? You're going to say, when does it start reporting? It starts reporting just like it should, just like almost every jewelry store, after 3 monthly payments have been made. So in other words, you're going to need 3 monthly payments. First reporting is going to be 90 days. That's it. And then it's reported every month after that until, of course, you pay it off. Then it'll still sit on your credit file. But here's the thing. After you have made your payments on time, you will be getting a revolving credit line. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? That is a beautiful thing, and that is what Intrigue Fine Jewelers is going to do for you. Now, again, the link is down below, and it's intriguefinejewelry.com, but please use my link down below if you're going to become a member and start with this particular type of credit. And with all that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is short and sweet, I hope, and please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. And in fact, with the economy being the way it has been over the last 3-4 years, somebody may need this type of credit to be added to their credit file. And now you have another way to do it. No hard inquiry, soft inquiry, and it's up to you whatever your credit line's going to be, up to $10,000 by your order or orders. So with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.